Welcome kids and welcome back to Kiddo Colors. Today we are going to draw three important things that help keep our smile clean and shiny. A toothpaste, a tooth and a toothbrush. Let's start our fun drawing. Draw the toothpaste tube. Start by drawing a long rectangle shape for the toothpaste tube. Make the top slightly curved. Now draw a small cap on top. Add a curved lines on the tube. Great! Our toothpaste tube is ready. Next, to the toothpaste, draw a big, cute tooth. Make the top curved like a cloud. Bring the sides down. Wow, what a cute clean tooth! Draw the toothbrush. Draw a long handle at the bottom and thicker at the top. Now draw a rectangle for the brush head. Add straight lines inside the rectangle to make the bristles. Amazing! The toothbrush looks ready to clean the tooth. Draw tiny bubbles around the tooth. Add sparkles to show cleanliness. Great job, kids! Now let's color it. Orange color. Pink color. Light blue color. Yellow color. Light green color. Light blue color. Dark green color. Pink color. Yellow color. White color. Well done, kids! You drew a toothpaste, a toothbrush, and a cute tooth. Remember to brush your teeth every day for a bright, healthy smile. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Kiddo Colors for more fun drawing and painting videos. See you in the next time. Keep practicing and keep shining.